Okay, grand early rising. How is all my babes doing on this early one Wednesday morning? So we're going to do some early hair care maintenance, and we're going to use none other than Miele's Rice Water collection. This is the Shine Mist. So, oh, it smells so good. I headed out for the gym. It's like 5 a.m. this morning, but we're not going to go to the gym this early. But of course, I'm getting ready, and I want to talk a little bit about New York Fashion Week. I've watched a lot of the bloggers showing the different events, and it looks like they had a wonderful time. So hopefully next year I will be able to attend the New York Fashion Week and the different events that they have. Let's see, so you can see. Oh, my hair is growing. Sorry. My hair is growing so long. My locks is now 8 years old. 8 years old. Yeah, so I'm just putting just a little mist on it. A little mist on my locks. And you all see I have just a tiny drop left. And you could get this from Target. I believe I got this one from Target. And it is so soothing. It is so soothing to my scalp as well. I just did a retwist. Y'all could go back and check out my video. And so I'm just misting it a little. And of course, y'all, I think I may I'm going to leave it out instead of wrapping my hair. But sometimes, when I'm working out, my hair gets in the way, but we're going to let it get in the way if it wants, because it has to breathe. So, and I have a fresh retwist, and I'm loving it. It only took me like 45 minutes to retwist my locks this time. So I'm getting better and better at it. I'm getting better and better at it. So yes, I enjoy watching all the New York Fashion Week vlogs with Janae and with Monroe Steele. Yes. So shout out to both of them. So yeah, and this feels so good on my scalp. I think I'm getting tender-headed. I don't know if it's the length of my hair or what, but I used to not be tender-headed, and I have very thick hair. So yeah, so I make sure I take it all the way from the scalp all the way to the end of my hair. Let me bring this down a little bit. Bring it down a little. Yes, I am loving it. So yeah, and it smells so good. So let's see what's in it. It has, of course, rice, and it has something else. It smells like it smells like a coconut. A little coconut is in it. Yes, I smell the coconut. So yes, it has coconut oil as well in it. I knew I smelled the coconut. I am such an island girl. I love vacationing in the islands, and they always ask me, "Are you from here? Are you from Jamaica?" Jamaica's my favorite. So yes, I'm getting go all the way through. It smells so good. So if you haven't tried the Miel's rice water, you maybe want to give it a try. It's very good. Very good for your hair. If it's it may fit your hair type or not. Because everybody's hair type is different. But this works. I love it on my hair. So all you need is just a little. All you need is a little. And I just washed my hair about 2 weeks ago. No more than 2 weeks ago. And of course did my retwist. And I also moisturized my hair with, the olive oil. And so y'all could go back and take a look at those videos. So yes, oh, this smells so good. My hair's loving me. So yes, it's my hair care. Hair care maintenance. Okay, so if you all watched any of the New York Fashion Week vlogs, let's chat about it. Do you want to attend New York Fashion Week one day? I do, because I love fashions. I am very girly girl. I really am girly girl. So yeah, so I do want to attend. Hopefully I have it to my schedule clear so I can attend New York Fashion Week next around. Yeah, and it smells so good. It smells so good on my hair. My hair is so nice and healthy. My locks are, y'all can tell they are very long, and they're actually down to my butt. They're all the way down to my butt. So thank you all for tuning in to my video. The gym opens at 5. We're not going to get there at 5. I think I'm going to wait till like around 5:30-ish, to get there. Y'all know I make sure I get in at least 3 days of workout. So I went Sunday, so today is Wednesday. So we're going to scoot. Miss Coco, she's up. And so we'll go around 5:30 or 5:45. Get to the fitness and spa and get a good workout in. And then I'll do another one. I always close out my week with a workout on Friday as well. So, yeah, so we're going to get ourselves together. So thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. So if you love lifestyle, fashion, fine dining, and traveling, and a little chit chat here and there, because I also do some content on, you know what's going on in the world with the celebs and all. Yes. So, bye, babes.